Hey there, thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this snowflake or a star. Maybe you see more of a star in it, but I wanted to crochet a lot of snowflakes to make a wall hanger out of it. So this is the next one, and this is what I'm going to show you how to make this. I've got a crochet hook number 2 and I've got some yarn over here. In my videos and in the examples I am using 2 different kinds of yarn. So one that's more broken white and one that's really white, because I want to make 2 different kinds of wall hangers, 2 different colors. So that's why I'm using 2 different kinds of yarn. Okay, so first we are making a magic circle. And then chain 2, 1 and 2. This counts as a double crochet. Then in a magic circle we are making 11 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Just pull that tail over here to close your magic circle. Top of the chain 2 we're making a slip stitch. Okay, so for the next row we're chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the next stitch we're making a triple crochet. And then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next stitch we're making a slip stitch. Okay, and then again this is what you want to repeat for this row. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next stitch a triple crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next stitch a slip stitch. So continue this for this row and I will be back with you when I am at the end over here. Okay, so I'm at the end now. I made chain 4, a triple crochet, and now I need to make 4 more chains. 2, 3, 4, and then in his first stitch over here we are making a slip stitch. Okay, so for this next row, in this chain 4 from the previous row we are making 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the top of the triple crochet we are making a slip stitch, and then in the next chain 4 we are making 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So continue this, chain 4 in that single crochet 4 in the chain 4 space. So 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochets, then chain 3, 2, 3, and then on top of that triple crochet make a slip stitch, and then in the next chain 4 we are making 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So continue this for the rest of this row, and I will be back with you when I'm at the end of this row. Okay, so I'm at the end of this row. I made 4 single crochets in the chain 4 space, and then in the beginning over here we are making a slip stitch, and then cut your yarn, and then what I like to do is to yarn over and pull that yarn through the loop on my hook and just make it tight. Oh, that's the wrong one. Okay, so now the yarn won't come loose. So this is the snowflake I wanted to show you, or the star, how you want to call it. And make sure you block your work so your snowflake will be nice and flat, and just weave in the ends so everything is nice and neat. So this is what I wanted to show you. I hope you liked it, and I hope to make some more snowflakes, and then at the end I will make a wall hanger out of it. If you do not want to miss any of my new videos, subscribe to my channel, put on a notification so you get a message when I uploaded a new video, and I hope to see you soon. Happy crocheting! Bye bye!